Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Subaru BRZ coupe, stock reference number 4324. The shape runs from the 7th month 2012 through to the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on all sides. We have the right hand fog light and indicator with surround, left hand fog light and indicator with surround. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has no tyre. There's the left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with no tyre. Does have rash all the way around the rim. Have aftermarket exhaust system, stainless from the cat back. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter. We have the heated controls and an aftermarket CD player. Courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.